Isn't she great? If you never seen this video before, well, or never seen my videos before, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Got a new toolbox. I got a new toolbox. Now it's time to get some more tools in because I don't got no tools. It'd be all good though. She opened up smooth. Appreciate it, Key. For everything. I'm so grateful. What's up, y'all? I know I'm in a new environment right now, but check me out. This is what I got. Hold on, that don't look right. Look at Chucky. Now look at the box. Oh, it's still not right. Hold on, look at Chucky again. Key, do you want to take over of fixing my toolbox for me? I got 109 subscribers.
All right.
Yeah.
I'll help you with it.
All right.
Wanted dead or alive.
Alright, so, well, I guess I get the film since they got me a mechanic. I'm gonna go ahead and put Charlie knife back up. Very heavy. Yeah, I had to go with the green. I just had to. Well, I ain't know, is that zoomed in? U.S. Journal. Uh-oh. Photo. I got the photo coupe in there. He gonna hook up the springs for me? The springs.
We're going to get all that hooked up.
That. Alright, let me stop messing with you. Go ahead and do what you do then. Thank you. Got my keys. So this is the bottom tray. And I got some wheels. I'm gonna put some spinners on there. Ooh.
Now, do you want rocks like this and this, or this and this? These are lockable.
Do it again. Do it again.
Do you want rocks like
There.
there and there,
And there.
or there
And
and
there.
there?
Put it a short way. Yeah. Yeah, so when I be rolling, I can hop on top of it and just stop it. Right. Huh? Say it again.
Your followers are gonna drop because Keith's on there. Don't be hating, Keith. Uh-oh.
Keith said, never mind that.
You don't need the instructions.
He got one. He know what to do.
Oh yeah. He got a girlfriend, he's still asking what to do.
Uh-oh. Chucky. Chucky. Did I make it obvious? Did I didn't mean to. My bad. Alright, y'all, so I got my brakes on. Comment if you think the bolt's supposed to be the other way. He said they lock nuts. Lock nuts. So, comment on that. Almost ready. What he said about my toolbox? He said loud enough. Oh, he gone. Alright, I'm gonna catch him one day. I'm gonna skateboard. Think I can skate with this?
Huh?
Think I can skate with this? Like a good skateboard to me. Y'all can't tell me this ain't no skateboard. Y'all can't tell me there ain't no skateboard. Anyway, let me help him put this thing up.
That's a screwdriver holder. What the hell that is?
What is that?
Screwdriver holder.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's if you got long ones.
Fancy. Making it do what it do. Good call out.
He needs to wear my glasses.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, he can see fine. He needs to wear them so he can't see. I can see that one right there.
Okay, so this wheel is flushed. And what's wrong with this wheel?
It just no, that needs to flip the arm.
Oh. Just the arm?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see it now. Yeah, I did not pay attention to that. Got my own personal mechanic, yeah. Doing what he supposed to do. Getting to work for the free. Hey. You know. Check your head, don't want to work. He don't want to do no work. You think I should put an engine on here?
You ain't want to do no work.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't want to do no work.
I ain't want to show it on YouTube.
I want to show that on YouTube. You see why I don't want to do no work.
Right.
I know what I'm doing.
Look, he said, I know what I'm doing. I didn't mean to cause this ruckus. He might.
I put my own damn football together.
Block in, Ron.
We were trying to say I'm doing something wrong.
You know he got to mess with you.
Oh, I know. I ain't worried about that.
He's getting enough shit at the carnival and stuff, but he can't get on rides.
Dang. Uh-oh, something done happened.
What?
Never mind, Keith. Dang. I'll go buy him one. See, I'll buy you one, Steve.
I gave it back.
Yep. That's how it usually goes down. Man, he didn't get back. He pocketed that much.
It's already finished. Oh, show me. Right, just like a scooter already. You know what I mean? You got. Never mind. Yeah.
Let's see, that's what those hoes catch.
Yeah, I see. Ooh, me tripping and everything.
Oh shit, he broke it already.
Ah, dog it. He practicing on taking tools. That was lame. Yeah, look. Where you going?
Put it back, sir.
Okay. That's a prime example of what y'all need to do, but I'm
What's
still
up?
gonna have it locked. You know what I mean? Just saying.
Shit.
What you had said you used to have what? How many keys?
4.
And
I got 2.
dang it,
'Cause
boy.
I keep losing them up there.
Don't lose the keys, Marcus.
Don't put them all together.
Mystery.
Yeah.
Don't you lose these
Yeah, they got a
days.
little round here. I'm losing these.
Don't lose them. It's time to get to work.
I mean, even if you do those, ain't nothing the drill can't fix. You know what